guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day after the birthday, and we went to sleep pretty late last night. We went, I think, at 5, 6, and got up at 10. So the sleep schedule is also not complete. And I got cold also. I don't know why. I did not even drink anything cold. But that's cold is there with me every day. So now morning I just when I woke up I saw that my internet is not working, and it's been 3 days that my internet is not working. I don't know what those guys are even doing. If I call them, they are not receiving calls. So I just called my girlfriend and asked her if Wi-Fi is working at their place. So yeah, I'll just I already packed my bag, and I'll just go to my girlfriend's place now. I started my work, and here's the food. I'll just wait for her. She's getting her food. She takes a lot of time to come. Every time it's the same story. I don't know what she does in the kitchen also. Here she is. So I got cold, and I took this thing Cinerest, but it's not working out. I'll take that Incid Ultra or something. There's some other Levop or some tablet. I'll take that after food. So we'll have food. For food we have rice, curry, choris mas, and this is chicken.
Chicken kadai.
So last time my leg was hurting. It got some wounds. So I told my girl to put this thing for me, medicine. And you see how she's putting. She has taken a tissue and she's putting. You see the level of care that she's taking of me.
Infection there.
Infection. Who puts medicine with tissues? I don't understand that. आता हेचको तो ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತಿತ್ತು
तू ये मोठे आई सांगले आती लाईट ओढतो साधा ऑइली रेसिड्यू हा होई लाईना तू बोल
I just wanted to make a video, that's why I told her to put it with tissue. So we were just sitting here, and my baby girl remembered that we had to decorate the Christmas tree. ನಾನು मागच्या साइड होता. No Christmas tree नहीं गया. और रह गया. So we got the Christmas tree, and the decorations are here. We'll just decorate it, and we'll remove a time lapse of us doing that. So we'll get started in 3, 2, 1, go. We are just unwrapping the Christmas tree, and I've done removing everything. So actually the thing is that we are running a bit late on time. We have to reach at 5 for appointment somewhere in Kolva. So we'll quickly I'll go home, change up, and then we'll move. The rest of the things we'll do at night. Let us we'll after we reach home we'll do these things, because we can decorate it at night also, but since we took the appointment we cannot reschedule it. So we'll move now, and then we'll come back and do it. We'll have to go to Kolva, and we reached Karaban. Actually the appointment was at 5, but it's already 5:05, and we got late because of my girl. She took like 10 minutes to dress up. She only has the appointment on though, but I don't know what even she does. When I tell her to dress up, she'll take 10-15 minutes. Don't look at me. So we are running a bit late on time, but we already informed him saying that we'll come a bit late. But I think a bit late will be extremely late, because there's a lot of traffic in front. So after this we have plans to go to Maple. I'm not sure if we'll go to Maple or we'll go to a cafe, depending on what time she finishes her nail art. We will move, but for now the hope is that we will finish it in like 1-2 hours, but she was saying that it will take like around 3 hours. Let's see how it goes.
A few minutes later.
So we reached the salon, and she'll be doing her nails. I'm not sure what I'll be doing over there. I think I'll have to wait for 3 hours. 3 long hours, what do you say?
Yes, that is your job.
That is your job. Hush! I resign right now.
What do you mean by that?
So we'll go and we'll check what's the thing. So my girl's work is going on, and it will take some time. But you know, I was feeling quite bored, so I asked him if I can do a cleanup. So he recommended me not to go for a cleanup, but just do a normal T10. So I think I'll just do a normal T10 and screen and scrub. No, scrub. No. Okay, I'll just do that. So I think you know, just roaming with her in Margao has led to a lot of tan on my face. But let's see if it goes. But I'll just take it, and we'll see how it goes. And he has asked me to wait for 10 minutes for it to dry. So we'll just wait. Baby girl is also like, I think her one hand is done. So I'm done with the cleanup and everything, and baby girl is also done. Show your nails. So this is what she has done. The place that we had come to was Lisa's unisex salon, and 1 minute. And it is in Kolva. It is right, you know, on the road where Meaning of Jesus is there. So overall, we are happy. She is happy with the nails, and I am happy with the D10. It looks like, you know, it has given an effect. It looks like. So right now, I don't know what is the plan. What's the plan?
Let's go to any cafe. I want hot coffee.
Okay, so she wants hot coffee
Or hot chocolate.
or hot chocolate. So we'll see something.
With marshmallows.
Nonsense. So we'll go to a cafe nearby. Let's see, nearby or somewhere, I don't know. But we'll go, and yeah, so that's the plan now. Also, we have the Christmas tree that's waiting for us at home. We have to decorate that as well. So we'll go home early and do that, or else we'll get shoutings for not doing that. So yeah, we'll go to a cafe, just eat something and then make a move. Actually, she did not have food because her throat was paining in the morning. So I think she's hungry. Even I am hungry. So we'll go have
You had
something
food.
first. I had
Still
food,
you're
but still I am hungry. So we'll go and eat something. So since we were feeling hungry, we came to the chocolate room. Chocolate room or no? A chocolate room in Benauli, or chocolate factory in Benauli. So we got banana pancakes with honey. Oh, it is chocolate house, yes. And we got Alfredo pasta, which is chicken Alfredo pasta. So I think because we are a couple, they have, you know, made a heart and given it to us. So she's having, what is this? Hot chocolate with caramel flavor. And this is a plain hot chocolate. Yes. So we'll just have it now, since we are feeling extremely hungry, and she is on an intermediate diet, and she had decided not to have anything after 7, but it's already 7:40. But I don't know what she'll be doing, but yeah, somehow we'll manage. So we are almost done having. Actually, the hot chocolate on pancake was a bad idea. Even she has left us. She also did not have. It was actually not tasting that well. The hot chocolate caramel flavor is like yuck. We did not like it. Pasta was good. Even the pancakes are not that great. We have had better. But yeah, some places they are kind of taste, but it did not suit me at least. Even she did not like it. Like Darshika. Like Darshika.
कोणा टेस्ट
Hot chocolate.
हॉट चॉकलेट लेना आणि बनाना pancake आलो तो उसको pancake में
They were actually a bit burnt, so even on both the sides, like it was a bit burnt, but it's fine. We'll just get out of here now. So we were just passing through Powerhouse, and we saw this store, Azorte. It seems it's open. Like I came on 7th, it wasn't open, but I think it's open today only. But still, there is a lot of finishing that's left to be done. You see all the units and all are kept here, and inside also there is a fair bit of work that's going on. But the guard said that it's open. We just asked him, so we'll go and check out what they have in stock. Just a minute, I'll close the windows first. Even we don't know what brands and all they have inside. So once we go in, only then I'll be able to show you all and tell you all more about it. We believe this is the clothes section. She's looking out clothes for her, and she's looking clothes, meaning it's a fear in my heart, because you know this cycle just keeps on going on, and then I'm stuck in this loop. But still, let us take some patience and wait. Madam is shopping.
2 hours later.
So we have reached the men's section here. The women's collection is okay. She did not like anything. Even the men's collection is good, not the best, but nothing that I would personally pick up. I don't know how I should, tell you how the collection is, but it's each one's choice of, clothes. But this is not mine. There are few things, but not all. We are back near the car, and we explored most of the parts, but we did not like any. So quite disappointed. We are going home now. So I am not sure if we'll be decorating the Christmas tree now, because it's quite late. But I think I'll see what the boss has to say. The boss is here. So we'll see what we'll be doing now. But for now, the plan is to just go home. So it's come, right beside this Mr. DIY and KFC and all. So yeah, now we'll just go home.